Welcome back. It is the first Tuesday of the month, which as always means we get a new free rotation of assets on the Epic Marketplace store. You can get this under the free section under free for the month. And these assets are available for free during this month only, which means that if you miss this month, then they will go back to their normal pricing if you want to get them. So make sure to pick them up if there's something that you want to get. This month we are getting Gathering Resources. This is a blueprint system with multiplayer support that has features like gathering tools for specific resource nodes, different resource gathered from different tiers of resource nodes, as well as tool durability. Line of Sight Dynamic Mesh. This is a C++ plugin that creates a dynamic mesh for line of sight effects that also has the ability to be used for fog of war and pseudo lighting, for example. Fantasy Bundle Environment Kit. This is a 3-in-1 bundle of environment assets that provide a ruined castle, a small village, and an underground bridge scene. Ithris Cemetery. This is a grimdark fantasy environment showing off a cemetery littered with atmospheric details. Clouds and Skies is a billboard-like cloud system to allow for lightweight creations of skies with different cloud formations. So, let's take a closer look at these assets. First up we have the Gathering Resources system. Here you can see we have some stone tools, and we have some gold tools, and we have some crystal tools, and some corresponding resource nodes. So you need to get a tool for the corresponding type. So if I get a stone tool, I cannot go and resource node the gold, for example. It will give me a message saying I don't have the right tool to gather this. If I go to one of the other tiers here, you can see that I can start gathering them. And when I've finished gathering, I can get some resources you can see in the inventory in the bottom over there. And the resources can be of different rarities depending on the tiers, as you can see around the frame of the resource. The actual tool itself also has durability up to the top left. You can see it starts to break down as you keep using it. So at some point it can actually break down. And yeah, that's essentially it. There is also one other aspect of this, is if you go, you can actually get a minigame set up in the game as well. So that when you have a resource node and you're gathering something, like let's say we're gathering crystals, and then we start, and you can see you can get a mini game where you need to match up your hit with this mini game widget that appears essentially. So this is what's entailed in this whole asset pack essentially. Next up we have the Line of Sight Dynamic Mesh asset. Now this one doesn't have a project available for us to use since it's a plugin, and there was no demo project available. So here we are looking at the actual presentation of the asset itself. You can see some of the functionality that it has. Some of it is it's making use of different meshes, or actually it has a mesh that it's actually deforming and changing based on how light is being obstructed. And you can see that it's being used here for a post-process for lighting. But this would generally most likely be used for something like a detection system, where you would be having a character that wants to look in a certain direction with a certain angle, and then if a character actually intersects with it and is then thereby detected. So that's the Line of Sight asset. Next up we have the Fantasy Bundle environment. Now this is the one that is actually 3 asset packs inside of one. So this specific one is the Rundown or Ruined Castle. So you can see what that sort of looks like from above. It is very, very rundown. There is not much left of the castle actually. So it's a grandiose looking asset, but there are not that many different parts of the castle still remaining. The other assets of this same pack is also the cave, which is an interesting one and looks pretty neat. I do believe, however, that this might have been a asset that has been given away for free previously. I'm not entirely sure, but that is, I do recognize this, I feel like. Essentially you have a underground cave with an abyss here and some light coming in from it, and just a bridge that's connecting the 2 different sides together. The last part of this 3-in-1 bundle is the village, and the village is a small selection of buildings that is connecting with a bridge to what could be a fortress of some sort over here. So there is a small selection of houses that are available inside of this pack, and this is what they look like. So all in all, pretty neat, cohesive pack, although the packs themselves are not that big. Just the bridge under the ground, the small village, and the castle with not that many different parts, but still pretty neat. Next up we have the Ithris Cemetery, and this is the grim dark environment, which looks like it has a lot of atmosphere to it, right? That it looks like something very ominous and devious is going on here, and the backdrop looks pretty epic as well. So it's a pretty cool looking scene as it is being presented. You also have a sort of portal-like effect going on over here with some smoke to the cemetery itself. And littered around here you can see that there are different decrepit corpses and graves and statues and small particle effects running around as well. So all in all, a very atmospheric looking scene that is very well presented from the aspects down here by the cemetery. And lastly we have the Clouds and Skies asset pack. So this is the demo scene that is available for us there. We have this little silhouette of a boat, and then we have this gorgeous looking sky around us, which we can see. It looks very, very impressive and looks really, really nice. It is, like many things in game development, a little bit of a trick, because to keep this high performant and being possible to sort of customize the exact look that you want to have, what is going on here is essentially that we have billboards going on. So these are 2D planes upon which a cloud is being presented. So these are completely two-dimensional. And that is how this look is being achieved. And that is the Clouds and Skies asset. A big thank you to all of you who like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, or through other means support this channel. You are what makes this channel grow and become a resource for other people to learn from.